Blueprint is a centralized platform designed to connect Columbia Engineering alumni and current students, helping strengthen the Columbia Engineering community and alumni network. In this demo, I'll highlight key features of the platform and the different ways you can interact with students and fellow alumni. This is the home screen you'll see when you first log into the platform. At the top of the page, you'll find announcements and reminders such as prompts to enable text notifications or complete parts of your profile. Once completed, these announcements will automatically clear. Scrolling down, you'll see a preview of other members on the platform, including both current students and alumni. From here, you can explore profiles and connect with others to grow your network. You'll also find a section where you can share your career story. The platform provides prompts that allow you to discuss your career journey, interview experiences, and any advice that could be helpful to other members. As you scroll down, you'll see previews of other Blueprint features, including programs, groups, and job postings, which we'll explore later in the demo. One of the most valuable features is Ask an Alum, which is especially useful for current students, although any member can utilize it. Users can submit a question, either writing their own or using one of the platform's templates. A student or young alum might ask about different career paths in a specific field. The platform then uses a matching algorithm to send the question to 5 Columbia Engineering alumni whose backgrounds are most relevant. If the question is not answered within a set time frame, it is automatically forwarded to another group of alumni until it receives a response. This ensures that every question is seen and answered by at least one person. This tool allows students to receive quick advice and often helps start new professional relationships and mentorships. The side panel highlights recommended tasks and actions for new users. As tasks are completed, they move into the completed section. This helps guide users through the platform and encourages engagement with its different features. When you navigate to the Connect tab, you will find the Community, Groups, and Programs pages. The Community page serves as a directory of Columbia Engineering alumni active on Blueprint. You can use filters to search for members based on degree program, industry, or company experience, making it easier to find and connect with people who share similar interests. The platform also includes the Groups page, which allows users to connect within specific Columbia engineering communities. These are groups for academic departments, student organizations, and alumni associations. If you were involved in a student organization while at Columbia, you can reconnect with that community as an alum. There are also alumni association groups, such as the Columbia Engineering Black Alumni Association. Within each group, members can view the About page, browse members, and participate in discussions to ask questions, share opportunities, or promote events. If you are not part of a group but you're interested in joining, you can do so by navigating to that group's page and clicking on the green Join button on the upper right corner. Most groups are public and any member is free to join. If you were part of a group or student organization that is not yet on Blueprint, you can reach out to the Blueprint team to have that group created. The programs page is relevant if you are participating in one of Blueprint's facilitated mentorship match programs. Programs such as the CEYA Mentor Match are seasonal initiatives organized through Blueprint and the Columbia Engineering Office of Alumni Relations. All recent and young alumni within 10 years of earning their most recent degree are eligible to sign up as mentors in the CEYA Mentor Match program. At this time, the program is limited to undergraduate mentees. Be sure to keep an eye on your email for announcements about upcoming programs throughout the year. Under the Career tab, I will highlight the Jobs page. This page includes opportunities aggregated from sources such as job boards, Indeed, and LinkedIn. A key feature is that the page only displays jobs where there is a connection to a Columbia Engineering alum. For each posting, the platform identifies alumni who have experience at that company or in a similar role, making it easier to reach out for insight or guidance about the opportunity. You can also utilize the extensive filters to your advantage as you're browsing through multiple opportunities. The Inbox tab is where you can view and manage conversations with other users. You can respond to messages from students or connect directly with other alumni. This is the main tool for starting conversations and building mentorship relationships. Users can also share their availability and sync their calendar, making it easier to schedule meetings or calls. The last thing I want to highlight is the profile section. This is where you can add information about your background and experience. To complete your profile, you will need to indicate your field of expertise. You'll also choose what areas you're willing to help in, such as choosing a career path or interview preparation. In the book meetings section, you can choose to manually add your availability or sync your calendar. There are also tabs for uploading documents and entering your career journey, milestones, achievements, and any Columbia groups or organizations that you are a part of. Your profile is visible to students and alumni and serves as an important tool for encouraging connections and conversations across the platform. Thank you for watching this video demonstration. Feel free to contact us for any questions and scan the QR code to explore the Blueprint website.